Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Blog. I hope guys you are very well. So I'm today telling about the TCS onboarding update news. There is a update news regarding the TCS. Important information in this video. Digital and Ninja update. The guys who has given the TCS and QT exam and by getting the mail from the TCS Explore. This is the information regarding the survey mail where you have get the many candidate in the last 2 days ago. So in this video guys, please don't skip the video, watch till the end. There is a information regarding this because before joining the TCS or something like that, after the survey mail like that, you have to get the information from this video only. So guys, subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog and press the bell icon. This is the mail from the candidate side. I received some candidate has sent me the screenshot regarding this. Dear future TCS sir, greeting from the TCS. We hope you are doing well and keeping yourself safe and healthy. This survey is the reference to your offer of the employment with TCS. The information requested here is the required to plan for your onboarding. We have asked a few questions related to dates such as code completion date, provisional certification availability. Please go through the option thoroughly and make your selection accurately. Your prompt and accurate update will help you better for your onboarding with TCS. Survey will expire on 21st May 2023. The guys, in this mail there is the information regarding the offer of the employment with TCS. The candidate who are selected for the profile like the TCS Ninja and something like that digital profile, they are just asking the question regarding the survey mail about that their completion of a course, because in the final year of a student many candidates have just passed the final year in this month only, and some candidate have the remaining exam in the next month like having the June. So they are just confirming the date of a completion of a course like that, having the completing of the BTech, because they just take the data from your site after completion of your data of the BTech or something like that, your degree. So they will decide the onboarding in a phases manner like that, having the joining in a given month in a July or so like this August. So just taking the survey mail. So guys, these survey mails will be needed like having the provisional certificate availability and courses completion course also with the verification. You have to need to submit the all the information in the survey mail before the 21st May of 2023. In this survey mail you get all the information what you want to need. So please guys, I just inform you about the completion of a data provisional certificate, all the ability that you have completed or from your college side. So you need to submit in the survey mail before the expiration of the date is 21st May. So guys, I'm just advising you to guys if you not completed till now the date of your courses, so please fill their data in the survey mail. Those who have received the survey mail, please comment in my comment section, then I will solve your problem what you want to face, what you want to facing in this. I guys just advise you to please fill the information in a correct way, because if one time the survey mail is submitted, then another chance will be not given by the company side, I think so. This the one candidate just told me about that. So guys, please fill the information correctly. Don't do mistake in that form, and those who have completed the course, they are mentioned in the survey mail also. So guys, this is the information that, you will get the further information. Please subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog and press the bell icon for more notification. Thank you guys for watching this video. Jai Jawan, Jai Kishan.